Sorry, I'm just eating some of the great lunch that Michelle and Aaron have delivered for us. A muesli bar. Had a fantastic quiche. But more importantly, why wouldn't you want to be here? Have a look at this. That's Phil. Over there. Just look at this. Why would you not want to come with me on another one of these trips? I think we need to organise one. I think I need 5 or 6 people to say, hey, I want to come, and we'll organise another one. This is just absolutely awesome stuff, and there's plenty of fish. How gorgeous is this? Just beautiful, isn't it? All we need now is for a fish to bite. Speak of the devil. Wasn't a big one though. All we need now is for a bigger fish to bite. That's what I should have said. Should have said. Pretty awesome, eh? It really is very awesome. Not where I wanted it to go. I think that was the guy from before. Yeah, he's trying to pants me. Little fella. Well, at least I know they're biting. Don't want no little tackers. Not at all. Geez, they fight hard though for their size. Oh, God. What was that? Oh, now we're talking. Now we're talking. I'm thinking to myself, what's that tap tap? This could be the fish of the day. Maybe. I can see it. Get away from those rocks. Dude. Come on, out here. Fight fair. Fight fair. Fight fair. Oh, I don't know if it's the fish of the day, but geez, it's a good one. I can't honestly remember if it's the fish of the day. Geez, they fight well, don't they? They fight well. Oh. 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 Wow. There. I'll get him up. No, I'm not going to fall for that trick again. Last time I did that, I was having a problem with the camera, wasn't I? Okay. Camera ready. Correct. I'll get Mr. Snappy Tom up. No, just sit still, dude, and that'll pop out. Yes. I just want one snappy. One happy snap. Okay? Oh, fuck's sake. Why can't I take a photo? Thank you. And then I'll hold him up like that. There you go. You know what? If you do nothing else, send me a message. How I really, really want to organise one of these trips next year. Like, just how good is it? You can see what it looks like behind me. And to pull a fish like that out of something like that, and you saw how hard they fight. This is like, that's 30 pound main line, 20 pound leader, and I'm nearly locked up. Anyway, you gotta do yourself a favour. Berleypro, Martin Gittins, Bounty Hunter, those three names, and Steve Tappy Tap. Right, you've got to remember them. Sounds like an ad now, but absolutely awesome experience. You can't get better than this. All right, I'm going to tune out and I'm just going to go fishing because, you know what? It's just mind-blowing. Alrighty, see ya. Bye.